Alright, today we're going to be putting the SPP6E Superboost from Supco into our air conditioner here. This is a 15,000 BTU duotherm air conditioner. As you can see, I've done got the lid off of it. There's the lid. Just take a bunch of screws out around the edge here and around all the way around it, and you can get your lid off there. This right here is the little box that has the capacitor in it. It's got a screw down here. I've done loosened it a little bit so I can get it out. Lift this off, and in the factory model, I've done taken it out. It's a capacitor will be right here in this ring, and it'll be wired over to this. This is your run capacitor. This one right here should be silver. It's a little rusty. That's okay. Won't hurt anything. This is your leads on your new capacitor. As you can see, they're both black, so it doesn't matter which way you hook them up. They've got these are saddles, so you can hook either you can put it on there and hook another wire right on top of it to saddle it together. We don't need to do that because this one has enough leads on it. So what I'm going to do is plug this one right in here, and on the red wire, that one went on the red wire. This one, if I can get my big hand in there, well, oh, there it is. This one will go right here on the white wire. Kind of hard to see, but there's 4 prongs on each wire, and so that's where that will go. Now we'll take this, slide it right in there like that. It'll sit right in there. Need to make sure it'll go down. Tuck all the wiring in, and that's it. It's installed. Then you just put everything back together. Put this back on there, which is easier to do with 2 hands. Put your screw back in the bottom. Put all your screws around the side and try it out, and it should work good. And that's how you install the Supco SPP6E hard start capacitor.